We took a trip to Copenhagen, guys. We're in Copenhagen.
We're in a city called Sullivan for the new year, like I said, traveling. So first travel trip was 500 miles in the E34, and I did not prepare at all. It was just winged it. We're leaking a little bit of oil and it'd be smoky when I push it, but for the most part, we're good to go. We got Mamas, we got Ling Ling, and tomorrow is like we're going to Big Sur around the area. But right here we're in this little, is this a German town?
It's like a Dutch town.
Dutch town? I don't know, it's called Sullivan if you guys are interested. Maybe we do like a mob together with. Hey, if anybody comes here, let me know if you find a sticker. I'm gonna place it in that thing. It's a pretty sick spot. I highly recommend. I think we should all like just link up and mob together. Cool ass cars in a German town. It's pretty sick. It's pretty popping too. Keep in mind, it's COVID 2021. We're quite some ways into like the Big Sur trip. And like I said, car's doing fabulous besides a little bit of smoking when I push it hard. That's just when I'm mobbing hard. It's got a little oil seeping going through the grommet, so we'll fix that shortly. But the plan is just to drive the fucking car and enjoy it, because I haven't enjoyed it. Alright, we're out this damn place. I mean, it's just a little too packed for my liking, especially when we got a dog. We're gonna go out and do some more cruising. Dude, I fucking love this car. This car's just been running great lately. If it does great, I've been neglecting, like I said. So if it takes all the abuse, then I'm gonna reward it, because I'm an abusive person. So I just put it to the test, and if it passes the test, then I'm gonna give it all its love it deserves, you know what I mean? In the future, when I get bred, your boy's gonna go two-way adjustable coilovers, because these coilovers, they're a little harsh for my liking, especially on long rides like this. We're just like, I spy with my little eye.
Where is that? Oh.
Look at that. It's something special about finding the damn raw E34 in the wild, especially ones that like are not modified and just are not loved, basically.
What the?
You guys seen Bigfoot? I just seen Bigfoot. No, I'm just kidding. Good job, good job. This is where you get free money out here. I'll show y'all how to get free money. If you're really interested in making that bank, go ahead and have her hold this real quick. And then you're gonna go ahead and get your free money you come through. You're gonna go wide to get that free. Yeah, I just got $5. Woo! Shout out to Spears out here, prison workout. We're flying in these back roads. I mean, I hope there's not a cop, but as you can see, the roads are like paved amazing. I'm just gonna slow down because this ain't my hometown. I'm shredding this shit like if I live here. Be a cop right here for all that I know. I want a house here just to mop these streets, because coming out, damn, that was sick. And just flying on these damn, it's just long sweepers, you know what I mean? Like this is a long sweeper turn right here. I had to pull over and get this shot. I mean, we kind of missed the actual like super pink sky, but for the most part, look at that. Sheesh. What's up, fellas? It's sunrise and it's pretty cold. Got the fire going over there upon yonder. But yeah, after this, next up, we're gonna stop at for sure Bubblegum Alley. I think final destination is Bixby Bridge. But car's been phenomenal so far. Hanging out with some doggies. Got a Vanagon over there. Look at the sunset. I mean sunrise, sorry. We got some camtrails up there, but that's all gravy in the Navy. There's worse things I'd be eating. But let me just show you guys what I'm dealing with. If you go a little too hard on the car, it starts seeping right here. I'll show you. So when you replace the valve covers, also replace the little grommets. So you can see signs of residue. That drops into the exhaust and then burns up in the cabin smoking. But other than that, she's been phenomenal, you know, knock on wood. A great fucking car. I love it. Time to head out, we're leaving. Here's a little cold start for you guys. I have no muffler. The drive to here and the drive out of here is beautiful. And this is goals because it's just such a back road. San Luis Obispo, right? San Luis Obispo. We are bound over here. We just parked, but time to find some bubblegum alley. We just bought some gum to put our mark. Oh shit. Hey, that shit low-key disgusting, but hey. I mean, you can smell winter fresh. You smell that? What do we do?
Guess we just like lick the wall or something.
Give me that.
Ew.
Ugh.
Or make it into a heart or something.
Oh, you can do mine, but that's yours. Hey, no. No.
Yeah. It's like so gross to think about. Like that. There.
I think we're gonna head back to the road. We got a while, like 3-hour trip to go to Big Sur, so I want to get there and at least get back.
A little Honda Civic.
A little what? You getting stoked over a Honda Civic?
It just looks cool.
I'm joking. I just checked tire pressure for all 4 tires and we were like at least 8 PSI under. So we could have had better gas mileage, but so far, gas mileage is 22 miles per gallon and 20. So we're averaging around 20 miles per gallon. We're gonna reset that and see if we get any better. Because now our tires are actually inflated properly.
Wow.
My bad.
Come on, Christian.
Anybody that actually gonna take a road trip, check your tires, motherfuckers. Murano Rock. That's where we at. That thing is caused by some lava. I was told by the internet. But dude, this is like great, like just traveling with my doggy and my girlfriend on the new year with the E34. Bitchin'. I'm gonna go play in the water. Scratch that one off the bucket list. Now time for the Big Sur drive. We're not stopping no more till we get there. See you guys there. I'm gonna do a POV while we get there too, because the drive is amazing. It's honestly a really good view. Highly recommend. When I get the car actually running to better, we're gonna do a date where we actually plan. We all mob out like a family. Location, you ass? Thailand. No, I'm just kidding. This is Big Sur, California. It's like 5 hours up north from me. I'm in Long Beach, so I'm down south. But yeah, Big Sur is cool because it has a mixture of these mountains, but it's like right at the edge of, just upon yonder is the damn ocean. I just want to be a little city boy and disturb nature. Check this out. Because I'm a city boy and I don't care about no nature. Hashtag global warming, hashtag pollution, hashtag drive gasoline cars, no electric. Well, Ferrari was the coolest car I've seen so far. Take it back. The coolest car I've seen was that car. A small, minor problem. I thought I grabbed my GoPro, but I grabbed Jason's GoPro. And it's preset to 1080 by 30 frames, so we'll see how this looks. But we're finally going on the drive. We have an hour to go. So we'll just POV the way there. And yeah, this is Big Sur. The ocean is like right there. It just looks, it doesn't look that cool. I mean, it could be more beautiful is what I'm trying to say. Because the sun needs to come out. It's just a cloudy day today. Hey, you trying to do a mobbing with? Yeah. Hi, this is a mobbing with my girlfriend. She insisted we do this.
What?
No, you didn't insist. I offered. I offered because the fucking it's just complications after complications. I don't know if you guys seen the vlog. Someone's on my ass. Let me speed up. I don't know if you guys seen the vlog, but I was basically saying that I took Jason's GoPro instead of mine, and his is preset for 30 frames a second, and I don't really like that, and I can't even see the back of the screen, so I don't even know where we're positioned at. Yeah. So enough about that. If you're OGs, you know Lena. She used to always be in my videos. But like, why you stopped being in my videos?
Because we broke up and then we got back together. Now I'm back in your video.
Exactly. And the other girls were on the video. Yep. Had mad hoes on the video. Anyways, we did not break up. Lena just don't fuck with me in my videos anymore. She used to film me and actually, you used to edit the videos.
Oh yeah, I used to edit all of Christian's videos because he would never want to, like he would always procrastinate, like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do it later, and then he like would never edit or upload any video. Yeah,
we're at Mama's too, by the way.
Oh yeah.
She got scared because I braked hard. It's drizzling and we didn't prepare for that. I mean, we did not prepare for it at all.
We didn't prepare for anything.
Which is pretty cool because like, I don't know, but my girlfriend's just ride or die. You just go. Except for the fact that you don't like to get out and get some shots.
Man, I don't want to get hit by a car.
Oh, this is good though. We're flying.
Hold on. Can you hear me?
Hey everybody.
Ah! Oh, I need to fix Mama's. Oh my god.
We're flying, dude. This is great POV right here, but whatever. We have like an hour to go. So I figured we'd just do a mobbing with right now. Oh yeah, this side of Big Sur is just open road. It's not too much of big like turns. Alright, there's a dip coming up, so we're hard on the brakes. Downshift to third. And we're good. So Ling Ling.
Yeah.
I just want to show off my girlfriend because I don't know how you know so much information.
Oh. I'm highly educated, that's why.
I mean, yeah, you are smart, but I was talking about like, how do you know about this automotive lifestyle?
Oh, well, I guess it stems from my dad.
Shout out to Fredo.
He's a mechanic and car guy, so.
But you got the automotive, like the grease monkey background from your Faja.
Because, like, even when I was a kid, like, my dad would always, like, talk about cars and stuff.
That's true. Like, your number one car and your memory is, like, you getting pulled over in the Pontiac.
Yeah. Yeah. And scared me from police ever since then. And then Christian obviously just fuels the car knowledge in me.
I mean, I kind of didn't even like cars when I first met you. Like, I was just a skater boy.
Yeah.
But, like, what happened was, like, my dreams got shot down of being a skater, so long story short, I kind of put that on the back burner, and I had to go to work, and I also needed my first car. So, first car, Beamer, you know.
The 525.
Yeah, your dad let me work at the shop, so I started learning. Because at first, dude, I didn't know shit. I looked at the engine bay and it was like scary. How much gas do we got? Yeah, it was scary. I didn't know what was going on. Well, this is Big Sur, you guys. We're mobbing with Lena and my girlfriend and the doggy. And dude, holy shit. Hey, you gotta come out and see this. This is amazing, actually. Bob! We're at a waterfall now. I hear it somewhere. Car's looking bitchin'. And we just got done filming a mobbing with, so I did it with my girlfriend. If you guys want to watch that, it should be on the channel someday or somehow. Mamas, let's go. Dogs not allowed on park trails. Why are they so mean to dogs? It's discrimination. I don't see a waterfall. I think it's closed. There's a gate there. Biggest thing I came for was for the drive. You guys know that. Overall, the trip was amazing. I mean, driving the car is the best part that we did. We got a little bit of sightseeing going on, but for the most part, I just went to test the car, and the car did phenomenal. You know what I mean? We're gonna head back now. But just look at that beautifulness. But time to go. I think it's like 4, 5 hours.
Oh, it's 3 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 3 o'clock, but we're gonna have like 4 hours. We're gonna get back at like 7.
Yeah.
Hey, we just seen a highway patrol, so I'm gonna just chill out. We're in neutral, just coasting behind the trailer. But long story short, if you like that video, just let me know in the comments or some shit. I fucking love that. Like, this drive is amazing. I just gotta drive all the way back, and last night I didn't sleep that well. But in the future, camping in cars is the thing I would like to do with people of the internet. So if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram so you can see the details and all that shit. But for the most part, I just want to say thank you, love you, man, and see you when I see you. Peace, guys. From the Middle East, guys. We'll put a cool song right now.